Welcome. Sorry. This is Buddy.
Buddy?
This is Gary. I'm sorry. Welcome. We are Barney and Buddy, the roofing guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, he's mumbled. So I have a special guest today, Gary Dwayne Overy. Welcome.
Oh boy. Thank you. Barney and Buddy.
So, where are you from, Gary?
I'm from Grafton.
Okay.
No, I'm from Ohio Metallurgical in Elyria.
Oh, you're a doctor.
No, metallurgical.
What does that stand for?
That's the heat treating of metal products. Manufacturing companies machine metal products.
So they let you play with fire then, huh?
And they give them
that
to
could be
us.
dangerous.
We put them in furnaces and make them hard.
Oh, I'm sure you do. Okay. So, did you trip over a log when you came in here?
Last Friday I tripped over a log. Who told you that?
I got sources.
Sometimes I sleep next to a log and it's not good.
See, I got my private investigator, Buddy.
But today, Buddy, I feel great. I feel great. Got a lot of sleep and had a few waters.
Yeah. I'm grateful you're drinking water. That's good for you, especially at your age. So, is that a Travis Matthew shirt you got on there?
No, but I do have a couple.
Yeah, I heard you.
Somebody accused me of buying too many Travis Matthew shirts, or what?
Who is he? Never heard of him.
I don't know, but
what about Jack Nicholas, or
He charges a lot, way too much money for his shirts, but they're very You should get one. Is that Travis Matthew?
No, this is Barney apparel. This is what I got to wear every day at work.
So, what about Buddy?
Buddy, same thing. We're still trying to figure out why we look so familiar. Because we met down in Florida, and we're like, "Hey, how you doing?" It's like, "Man, you look like somebody I know," and we still can't figure it out. So, what else do you do over there at the heat treating plant? What is your position?
My position is the VP of operations. So
that's not what I heard. I heard you were the maintenance guy that cleans the toilets and stuff.
I do actually change out the anti-splash piss mats once a month.
Awesome. Do you put the toilet paper roll the right way?
No, somebody else does that.
Oh, okay.
I take the important roll, keep it from splash. But no, I'm the VP of ops. I manage the operations in Elyria. We run 24 hours a day, typically 6 days a week. Have about 75 employees.
Well, how come every time I go out to some shindig, you're there, so you don't work 24/7?
It's got to be after hours. I don't work 24/7.
No.
Our folks do.
So you're a part-timer, right? You got a big heading, but you only work part-time.
I only work 10 hours a day or so.
Yeah, you sound like Chris West. Let's see. Let me get in a little more depth here.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that one. I don't know yet. See how you act the rest of the way.
Where'd you get that picture?
Oh man, I got Buddy here, man. He does some insight for me. He goes out. He's one of them party guys.
Was your marketing guy at LPI last Friday or no?
No.
Okay. Good.
No. I mean, we keep our shirts on around here.
What do you do, Barney?
I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. One day I'm changing the toilet roll. Next day I'm selling 2,000 square feet. Get it, guys? They only give me 2,000 square foot jobs to sell. And I've been selling for like 6 years now. Well, more than that, but
We've had one 2,000 square foot job at Ohio Met. You guys did a great job.
Yeah, it wasn't me. It was somebody else. But so how did you get involved with West Roofing?
How did I get involved with West Roofing?
Besides Chris West and Ryan Maines, your other son.
Well, prior to that, 11 plus years ago, I was just started at Ohio Met. We had a roof issue, and Jeff Johnson.
Oh, I forgot about him.
A couple other guys came out. Chris came out. They looked at the situation, and since then, you've done a couple jobs at our place. So that's how I got to know West Roofing.
And I heard your neighbors with Jeff Johnson.
Unfortunately, I am.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry to hear that. I would move if I were you.
What I do is I funnel all my water into his yard, and then he sends his kids over to my house to eat.
Yeah, that's a good trade-off, I would say.
And take stuff out of my fridge. But
so, What do you like about the polyurethane foam roof system?
I don't like roofs.
No?
No.
You're lucky I don't kick you out of here right now, because that's how we survive.
No, I'm just kidding.
I don't say that something about your little heater over here that heats up metal or whatever the hell it is.
Our facility is filled with our customers' inventory. We don't own any of the inventory. It's some very expensive product.
Well, I know he's not really spontaneous, is he?
And we have to have a roof, right?
Well,
If
you don't
our
like
roof
roofs, I
leaks-
mean,
If our roof leaks, like any other roof, it gets on our customer's product. It's probably rust. Next thing you know, we could be faced with tens of thousands of dollars of product that's ruined by a roof that's leaking.
well, how come you did your office first? I mean, that's what I don't get. I mean,
Our office?
Yeah. Why do you do the roof over the office when you say you got important $1 million worth of stuff out in
Because
the
you
warehouse?
already fixed this.
You worried about your hair getting wet or something?
that?
I'm just
That is-
asking.
You already
I don't
fixed
get
the
it.
stuff in the shop.
No.
This year, you're going to do another project.
Oh, your son
2,000
Ryan
square
Maines
feet-
is now
2,000 square
salesman.
feet.
Yeah.
Maybe 1,500.
Yeah.
No, that product's been great for us. We've had no issues, and I didn't pick that kind of roof. I just wanted a roof that didn't leak.
Okay. Cut.
Is that part of your marketing strategy?
No, I'm not a marketing guy. He's over there in the corner just giggling all day long and makes me do this. So the stuff I do around here is I do a little bit of selling. I do this once in a while, keep the morale up around here. They took me out of the field a couple of years back because another thing was morale, making the guys look bad, you know, the way I spray things and stuff like that. So I agree.
You know how to spray?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think
I was spraying before your son was born.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a long time ago.
Yeah, and I see now he works here. Well, he shows up here, let's put it that way.
Yeah, put him to work.
I still don't understand where he learned that, you know, if it's, I don't know, 28 degrees out and he wears a sweater only, like what you got on, exactly what you got on, and we're out there, what, 6 hours? And you're like, it's like, did your dad teach you to put a coat on when it's cold?
I did. I taught him that.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he spent 6-7 years in California, and it never gets below.
Yeah, but he was
55.
born in Ohio, wasn't he?
But
He was born in
forgot
Ohio.
about
You should know the weather changes like that.
That's right, because it's 55 out now. It'll be 40 this afternoon.
Yeah, and then we hired
So
him.
I apologize. I would think he'd be more responsible.
You don't have to
I
apologize. You owe me because I saved his life that day because I had a jacket in the truck.
appreciate it.
Yeah, bill's in the mail.
So did he learn from that?
I don't know. We'll find out. So I heard you're the karaoke king.
I'm pretty good.
Yeah, but
I got third place at LaPorte Inn last Friday.
I heard you're about getting ready to get kicked out. What I heard, but you always undercook your meat. Why is that? That's not good.
That's not true.
That's what I heard. I mean, that's not good for the digestive system, and especially your age. And
What do you cook chicken to?
huh? I don't cook chicken. I can't cook chicken to save my life.
How about next week? You come over, we'll cook some pork tenderloin.
Oh no, I heard of that neighborhood. I don't go in that type of neighborhood.
Come on.
You know, that's high class. That's like the Hamptons. I can't show up over there. I
No,
don't fit in.
That's the south side. I'm
Buddy will go. He don't care.
on the north side. I'm on the north side of Jeff.
Yeah. I don't know.
Let's go use Jeff's kitchen right now.
Yeah, we can do that. Let the dogs out and accidentally say, hey, I don't know, door was open. There they go.
Yeah, out in the mud and
Yeah.
maybe walk on the pool cover. And no, I'm a great cook, so if you're in the neighborhood, stop by.
It's fine.
I'll
It's
undercook
fine.
some.
We'll do that one day.
I'll undercook something for you,
All right.
and you're gonna love it.
Right. So, since we brought you on, I know they wanted me to go a bunch of boring stuff right here, but would you tell other people about West Roofing?
I'd love to.
Do you? Doesn't look like it.
Do I tell other people about West Roofing?
Yeah, doesn't look like it.
I'm your best salesman.
You're spitting and sputtering. No.
I'm your best salesman.
No, your neighbor is the best salesman. Not Jeff, but my.
I
Previous,
haven't seen any commission checks from that, but that's fine because you guys.
Dude, they
have
don't
helped.
pay me any extra doing this, so I don't want to hear it.
You guys have helped. You guys, West Roofing. Here's examples. I mean, unfortunately, Ohio Met's had a couple fires in the last year and a half.
Hey, probably your fault. Wasn't it?
No,
Forgot to shut it off.
I don't wish that on any.
Oh,
business.
I'm off at 3 o'clock. Forgot to shut it off, didn't you?
I don't wish that on any business. And when that happens, You guys were there. You guys were there.
Put the fire out, put
You
the
did
roof
put the
on.
fire
That's what
out.
we do. We do all kinds of stuff.
You
Take
may
care
have-
of our customer.
You may have wiped out my tears, but no, you guys were there as far as the service team and Jeff and Chris and Ryan and helped us out from we were at a bad spot. You want to know what the bad spot was?
I don't know, because, you know, I talked to a few of your friends and it's always X-rated. I couldn't bring a lot of stuff on the show, so I'm careful
No,
to ask.
let me finish, because seriously, we had September 11th, 2021, had a pretty big fire. The next day, you guys show up and go up on the roof, make sure it was safe. And
Yeah, I know.
Check for the integrity, but unfortunately, our massive crane in the area they had the fire, the trolley, we had to get it out of there. There wasn't enough space between the trolley and the roof. You guys stepped up and said, hey, we got an option. You put in a skylight for us. We were able to bring in this massive crane, get it out of there. So
See, that's what we do for people like you.
not only
Unappreciative, but
not
you know,
only
we'll
just
do it
standard
for you.
roofs, but you guys stepping up and taking care of us and putting us ahead of everything else you were doing. Might have put you in a bind, but we greatly appreciate it.
I know, we were still there when you went home after work, so, you know, we understand. I mean, that's what we're here for,
I had karaoke.
you know? We don't have a timing frame, you know, we get off at this time, we get off at that time. We get off when it's done.
Well, or it gets dark out.
But hey, you know, anything of and above, I'm glad you came in today. I appreciate you wasting me and Buddy's time, and appreciate you coming in, and you're more welcome to come back next time if we let you.
Great, and I appreciate everything you guys have done for Ohio Met. And come over, bring the guys over for dinner. I'll undercook some stuff for everyone.
I'm afraid to. I've had food poisoning before, it ain't fun.
Yeah, but it keeps you regular.
Oh yeah, that's what I need being on the roof. All right, thank you for tuning in. Catch us next time, thanks.
All right, thanks.